Royce Nunley. Royce Nunley appearing on behalf of the defendant. I believe this is, we're here on a bench warrant. Officer has previously been arraigned. She was set for a probable cause conference to which she did not appear. She has indicated to me that she does not have a phone. She does not have access to a computer or an email, and was unable to provide me an address of anywhere where she was staying. The information I have about the incident is the same that the officer sent to the court. They say that the requested bond amount they're leaving to the court's discretion. I would also leave it to the court's discretion. I know that she does not have any sort of money to place any sort of cash bond. So it seems like a bond amount of $10 would mean that she's going to stay until the next court proceeding. So I'd ask that the court consider a personal bond, as that's her only real option to get out of there.
Ms. Foster, would you say your name for me, please?
Kenesha Foster.
Thank you so very much. Based on the fact that there's no way for this court to remain in communication with you, and that there's been a failure to appear previously in this same matter, the court is going to set bond in this matter at 1,010%. The next court date will be a PCC on August the 25th at 8:30 a.m. That will be with Judge Oakley in courtroom number 2. That will be conducted by Zoom.
All of my prescriptions, and she could barely speak English. She didn't know that I was saying brown.
Anything else in this matter, Mr. Nunley?
Nothing further, Judge.
Anything else, Wayne County?
No, Your Honor, that is it.
Thank you. Have a good day.
You too. You and your staff have a wonderful weekend.
You too. Thank you. Mr. Nunley, have you received the communication about the case in Romulus?
No, I have not yet.
Okay. I don't know if Maria's on. It looks like Andy might have sent you an email last night letting you know, I think it's a domestic case out of Romulus with Larry King.
Yeah, I got an email, or I was copied on an email that said that there was going to be an arraignment out of Romulus. I didn't get like any paperwork on it though.
Okay, hopefully if Maria has it, she doesn't have, I don't think she has the ability to communicate with us except maybe by chat. I'm at a conference, but whenever you're ready with Romulus, I'll just come back over.
Okay.
Marianne, if you can get Van Buren on the phone, if they're ready on McAuliffe, who waived MIDC. Oh, Mr. Nunley, if you could stay put for a second.
No problem.
It says no MIDC, but we'll see.
Yeah, no problem.
Thank you. Foster.
Yeah, I will call them right now, Judge.
Thank you so much. Good morning, Mr. King.
Judge, how are you?
I'm wonderful. How are you, sir?
I am doing well. Hey, I just wanted to give the court a heads up. Are you doing arraignments today?
I am.
There's a homicide file. Mr. McCarron, Michael McCarron,
Oh,
murder
homicide.
2.
Okay. I know
Yeah.
about it,
That
but
is-
Mr. Nutley's on right now.
They
What was
should be
that?
up in a minute.
I didn't know it was homicide. Why did I think it was domestic?
It is. It's a domestic homicide.
Oh,
It's
Okay.
mine.
that's why, yeah. Okay. So Mr. Nunley's here with me already. I'm doing a Van Buren case, but I wanted to get him on with Romulus as well.
Okay. I'm double zooming and I'm at 33rd District. Is there a way the court could contact me when they're ready for Mr. McCarron's case? He is in
Yes.
custody of Romulus.
Andy sent your cell phone number over. I'm actually in a conference somewhere else. So after Royce talks to McCarron, Marianne will let me know and I'll come back over. It'll take me 3 or 4 minutes. And in that
Now-
time, I'm sure Marianne can give you a call and get you on as well.
Royce, you're only handling the arraignment, or are you taking this case?
Nope, I don't do the felonies. I'm not on the felony list, so I'll
Okay,
just do the
just
arraignment.
checking. All right. All right, well, that sounds great. Your Honor, just, the court has my cell phone number, so just contact me and I'll pop on and I'll see you later for love, okay? Or not
Thank you,
love.
sir.
Wait,
Love's
Mr.
on my
King,
phone.
Mr.
McCarron.
King, I don't have your phone number. Can you please give it to me?
If he's
Yeah.
already hung up, oh, okay.
No, I'm here. It's, the cell phone it's a weird one. It's area code 858-603-7748.
All right, thank you.
Thank you, Marianne. Thank you, Judge. Thank you, Mr. Nunley. We'll see you guys all later.
Thank you, sir.
Thanks.
Marianne,
Yes, ma'am.
did Van Buren answer?
Yes, they did, and they're gonna connect right
Thank you.
now. You're welcome.
No, they waived MIDC allegedly. I wish that Romulus was on so that Mr. Nunley could get started with McCarron and we could get moving on these things.
Morning.
Good morning.
Morning, Your Honor.
Officer, oh, here she is.
Good morning. Ooh, excuse me. This is 210643 SM McAuliffe,
Yes. Stand right here.
Dylan Joseph McAuliffe.
Yes, Your Honor.
State your name for me, please, sir.
Dylan Joseph McAuliffe.
Thank you. Mr. McAuliffe, today is the day and time set for your arraignment. The court's received indication that you're waiving the right to be represented for arraignment with a court-appointed attorney. Is that accurate, sir?
Yes, just for now. I didn't seem it was necessary.
That's fine. For purposes of arraignment, sir, it is alleged that on August 11, 2021, in Van Buren Township, you engaged in count 1, domestic violence. It's alleged that you did make an assault or an assault and battery upon ROU DAYNAH, last name ATOUI, your spouse, contrary to MCL 750.81 sub 2. Sir, this is a misdemeanor punishable by up to 93 days in jail and or fine of up to $500 plus court costs. A consecutive sentence may be imposed under MCL 750.506A if the assault was committed in a place of confinement. Sir, for the purposes of arraignment, and as much as you are not represented, the court is going to have you stand mute to the charges against you. Schedule your next appearance date for a pretrial. That will be on Tuesday, August 24th, 2021 at 2:45 a.m. with Judge Green. That will be by Zoom. The officer will give you notice before you leave. Law enforcement did not indicate any recommended bond amount. I'm just looking through the file, sir. The court will set your bond at $5,000. Personal, you don't have to post any money, but what you need to do is appear back with Judge Green on the 24th, understood?
Yes, Your Honor.
Do you live in the same house as the complainant?
Yes, we do, but she has a place to stay and she's not on the lease, but I'm more than willing to let her stay there if she needs to, but I don't believe that's the case.
The court is, sir, give me 1 second. The court is going to put a no contact order in place. You are to have no contact with the complainant in this case. Again, that name is ROU DAYNAH. Last name is ATOUI. Sir, no contact means no contact. No direct contact, no contact through a third person, no contact through social media, okay?
Yes, sir.
No contact. Next appearance date is the pretrial on August 24th. Was there something else you wanted to say? Not about the case, but just about the proceeding this morning.
No, I think I had something in mind for a little second, but it wasn't important, so.
I'm sorry. I wasn't trying to cut you off before. I just wanted to finish the part I needed to finish. If you don't have anything else, Van Buren, do you have anything?
No, Your Honor.
Thank you so very much, Mr. McAuliffe. You have a better day, and we'll see you in a couple of weeks, okay?
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Bye-bye. Any luck with Romulus?
No.
I'm concerned that if Larry is involved in something in 33rd about getting him back. And Andy emailed me about this yesterday, so I'm not sure where the file is.
I don't know. I can find out. I didn't know she wasn't going to be here this morning.
No, Maria, she's not here on Friday. She emailed me last night. I told her I was doing a remote